Hello guys, welcome back on a technology welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this tutorial how to downgrade or especially roll back iOS from latest updated iOS in any iPhone device without losing any data. How do you do that? Or unsigned IPSW, how do you have in your iPhone device? As we know that due to sometimes bug or beta versions, we are unable to especially be a good beneficiary of any iOS. So that's why especially we will see here without losing data how do you downgrade. Easy way, without any hassle from your homes you can have it. How do you? So firstly let's check it out manually by tapping on setting to a general, and in general you will have to tap a software update and see it has started to checking for update. Now it's saying that especially it's up to date, so we are not in the positions to downgrade or upgrade upward or forward or downward. So how do I do that? Yes, it can be possible just to go for an administration. That is a 3U tool, and of course after this 3U tool just to connect your data cable, and thereupon of course you will have to confirm it has been succeeded to connect iDevice, so we will have to wait here. Of course it's also done. Click on a smart flash options, and of course we will hit there. Now see refresh options. So iOS is 18, so can I head to a downgrade? Yes, 18 we have the 17.6 beta version, we have 17.3 beta version, we have 17.4 beta version. If this beta version you have downloaded from any other's official website, then of course directly you can click. So within one click you will be able to import IPSW, and thereupon if you want to lose your data, then come with the quick flash mode. Otherwise of course retain user data means whatever apps and application that will be retained on your device, and thereupon go for hit this ones here. If I click, so right now we will have to especially I will have to come on especially 70.5.1. so just let's start to download. So it has started to download, guys. How would I show? See, now it's but of course it will take a little bit time, so because the total capacity and especially in the size of this IPSW is more than 7.5 GB, so it will take time. So for saving time, especially after downloading, then of course I will go for the hit this flash ones. But similar strategy, you will have to hit this one. After coming the retain user data, just you will have to hit, and yes, iOS will be updated. Quickly downgraded, guys. Further any inquiry, of course, and have the query below the comment box. The pleasure would be mine to the reply of the query, and if you found yes this is informative and acknowledgeable, and it has the benefited in any way to you, then don't forget like and subscribe and share of these concerns. So this is all about in this video tutorial. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.